Hi everyone, we're going to find the sum of each sequence and we're given some summation notation. So the first one we have is this one, and we have we're going from k equals 1 to 10, and how you find the number of terms is you subtract and add 1. So 10 minus 1 equals 9, then you add 1 back. So we have 10 terms here. Since there's no variable here, this is just basically 5 plus 5 plus 5 10 times, because we have 10 terms. So 10 times 5 equals 50. The same thing here. There's no term here. There's going to be 20 terms. So basically, if you did 8 plus 8 plus 8 all the way, and you do it 20 times, you get 20 times 8, and that's going to equal 160. So those are the easy ones. It can be confusing since there's no term there, but this is just like a constant term. Alright, the next one, we have k goes to 1 to 6. That means there's 6 terms, and we have k as our formula. So basically we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, if you keep plugging in, plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. When you add all that up, you get 21. Here we have negative k, so we're going to get negative 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, and or you could do it this way: negative 1 plus a negative 2 plus a negative 3 plus a negative 4, because we are talking about summation, and this is going to equal negative 10. Alright, and next one is more interesting now. What we have is we've got 5 terms, and you're going to plug in all the values. So basically we're getting 5 times 1 plus 3 plus 5, I'm just going to use parentheses, times 2 plus 3 plus 5 times 3 plus 3 plus 5 times 4 plus 3 plus 5 times 5 plus 3. And when you add all that up, you're going to get 8 plus 13 plus 18 plus 23 plus 28, should have a parentheses, equals 90. Okay, the next one is very similar. You just plug 1 to 6. We have 6 terms, so that's going to be 3 times 1 plus 7 plus 3 times 2 plus 7 plus 3 times 3 plus 7 plus 3 times 4 plus 7 plus 3 times 5 plus 7 plus 3 times 6 plus 7. And what you get here is going to be it's minus 7, right? Oh, lordy. Why don't we just change it to plus? I'm just going to change that to plus. No, I'm going to change it back to minus because I already did it. Okay, so this will be minus. This is minus. And all these should be minus. There's going to be minus 7, minus, minus, minus 7. And you're going to get negative 4 plus negative 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11, and that equals 21. Okay? The next one we have is this one. This is going to be 3 terms. 3 minus 1 is 2. Add 1. So we're going to get 1 squared plus 4 plus 2 squared plus 4 plus 3 squared plus 4. And that's going to equal 5 plus 8 plus 13, which equals 26. Oops, sorry. And next one we have this oscillating thing going on. We got 6 terms, so this is going to be... Oh, did I skip one? Yeah, I skipped one. Okay, so we have 5 terms here. We don't have 4 because we have 4 minus 0 is 4, then you add 1. So it's going to be 5 terms. So you're going to get 0 squared minus 4 plus 1 squared minus 4 plus 2 squared minus 4 plus 3 squared minus 4 plus 4 squared minus 4. So if you look at this, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. That gives you negative 4 plus negative 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 12, and that equals 10. Okay, the next one is this one. Okay, so in this one, we're going to have 6 terms. So we're going to write negative 1 to the first power, 2 to the first power, plus negative 1 to the second power times 2 squared, plus negative 1 cubed times 2 cubed, plus negative 1 to the fourth times 2 to the fourth, plus negative 1 to the fifth times 2 to the fifth, plus negative 1 to the sixth times 2 to the sixth. What happens here is we're starting out with a negative, and this one's going to be positive, negative, positive. So we don't really have to look at those anymore. We just know we have an oscillating, and we're starting at negative 2, plus 4, minus 8, plus 16, minus 32, plus 64. And that all equals 42. Same thing happens here. Luckily, we don't have so many. So that's going to be negative 1 to the first, 3 to the first, plus negative 1 squared, 3 squared, plus negative 1 cubed, 3 cubed, plus negative 1 to the fourth, 3 to the fourth. We're starting with negative, so it's going to be negative, negative, positive, negative, positive. So now all we have to do is look at these. So it's negative 3, and we go to positive 9, minus 27, plus 84, and that, or not 84, 81, and that equals 60. And this one, I'm going to write everything out. So we got 4 terms, so this is going to be 1 cubed minus 1, plus 2 cubed minus 1, plus 3 cubed minus 1, plus 4 cubed minus 1. So this gives you 0, plus 7, plus, what is this, 26, and 64, so that's going to be 63. And this equals 96. And the last one we have is this one. Now we're starting at 0, which means we have 4 terms. So we have 0 cubed plus 2, plus 1 cubed plus 2, plus 2 cubed plus 2, plus 3 cubed plus 2. This equals 2, plus 3 plus 10 plus 29, and this all equals 44. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.